Hello guys, in this video I just want to make a quick walkthrough on the new beautiful website interface of Stablefund. Okay, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Thompson, and I want to say welcome to my videos, welcome to my channel. Okay, you can see that this website looks absolutely different from what we actually had before now, and I'm very grateful and happy for what Michael and the team is actually doing for the community of Stablefund. Okay, so first and foremost, the team actually the team actually listened to the community, because a whole lot of guys were complaining that the website was too bright for them. They needed a darker theme, and Michael and the team actually listened. And let me show you something quickly. Here you can see a darker theme now. Okay, so you have the option to choose between the lighter theme and the darker theme. Okay, so now you can see this actually looks very beautiful. Okay, they both look beautiful to behold, but for the purpose of this walkthrough, I'm going to be using this lighter theme here. Okay, let me use the lighter one. Okay, so when you actually log into the website, the first thing that you're going to see, the first message that's going to catch your attention, greet you, is earn 1.5 interest daily on, you can see Matic, BUSD, and BNB. That's very, very interesting. And if this is your first time of watching this video, or you are hearing about Stablefund, Stablefund is actually a project that gives you the opportunity to earn 1.5% of your total investment every day. Okay, now you can see that they actually made this website very, very easy for anyone and everyone to actually navigate without any form of stress. Okay, so here you can see, here you're going to see your BUSD, your Matic, and your BNB. Up here you're going to see the amount of money that you actually have in your wallet. What I have presently here, this 4.5, is just my BNB that I use for gas fee. Every other money I actually had on this project, I've stake them, so they're actually working for me, and I'm getting this 1.5% every day. Okay, so all you just need to do, if you want to stake, you just come down here, you put in the amount of money you want to stake, you click on this stake, and it's going to take you through the process. Okay, and you're going to get your money stake. Let me quickly show you something here. When you come down here, it's going to show you, for some persons that have been asking, when did this project actually start? When did this company started? You can see that the first time they started staking, okay, on this, or they launch a coin and start staking on this project, was 4th April 2022. Here we are in October. That is almost 7 months, okay, into the project. You can see 27th June 2022, BUSD was actually launched, okay, on Stablefund. Then on the 15th of August, BUSD was launched on the 27th, and 15th of August, BNB also came on board, right? So that is one information I think is very, very vital for you to know. Okay, now when you come up here now, you're going to see, like for this is BUSD, you're going to see the amount of money, their total investment, you're going to see the total investors, and you're going to see the total reward that they've paid out. Okay, this thing is very, very interesting when you look at it. Now when you come down here, you come to your wallet. This wallet is very, very explicit. Here you're going to see the different coin that is here, right? You're going to see something I think I should bring to attention is S-Rocket. S-Rocket is actually 101. Okay, now $101 now. You can see it's doing well. So here you're going to see the value of the assets that you have on this project. Okay, and here now, if you want to send your crypto out, okay, let's assume you have some BUSD in your wallet as your reward that you've received, and you want to send it out. You're just going to put in the wallet. You're going to choose here the let's say BUSD. You're going to come down here, you're going to choose BUSD. Here you're going to put in the receiving address, the receiving wallet, and here you're going to put the amount, okay, that you want to send out. You click here, and automatically it goes out. It takes you through the process of sending, and you won't be able to send out your crypto. Okay, the same thing for deposit. Let's assume you want to put in some money that you want to stake on the project. You click on this deposit here, right? Let's assume BUSD. You're going to click BUSD here. Then you just copy this this wallet address. you send it either from, whether from Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, anywhere you're going to send the money from, you send it to this wallet address and automatically you're going to receive it in your Stablefund account, okay? I'm loving this project because so far it gives me that opportunity to earn 1.5% irrespective of the direction of the market. You and I know that we're actually in the bear market presently now, but I'm not really bothered because I know every day I wake up to 1.5% of my total investment, and that actually makes me very, very happy, okay? Yeah, on the walkthrough, you can actually exchange your coin from one coin to another, okay? So you can see you can exchange whether your BUSD to any other coin, okay? Let's say BUSD here, you can decide to put in 100 BUSD, 1000 BUSD, and you can exchange it for BNB, likewise every other coin here, okay? Now, if you have any question, you can see the FAQ here. You click on this FAQ, you'll be able to see any question that you need to know, okay? And also, there's something I want to show you here. If you want to go to the Telegram group, you just click in this icon at the top here, and automatically from up here, you're going to take you directly to the Telegram group, okay? Right? That is a quick walkthrough I've decided to make and show you guys about the new website, okay? So if you have any query or whatever you want to know, you can go to the Telegram group. Make sure that you are aware. Beware of scammers, okay? There are a whole lot of scammers trying to infiltrate the Telegram group. Be careful, take care of yourself, make sure that nobody gets you scammed, okay? And if you got value from this video, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, right? And also remember to subscribe to my channel, okay? Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Do take care of yourself, and bye-bye.